the chemicals. I'm waking up.
Hey bud, happy 11th birthday. I can't believe that it has been 11 years, but it has been a wonderful time. I am so proud of you, and I love your fun, funny, smart, hardworking, kind, crazy boy spirit. And I look forward to many more birthdays with you and continuing to celebrate you. Very proud of you, and I love you very much. And I hope you have a great birthday.
Happy birthday, Charlie. Hope you have a wonderful day, celebrating your 11th birthday with all your friends and doing the things you enjoy doing. Hope it's been a special time and a lot of fun for you. It's been great watching you grow up from a baby to a toddler to a crazy 11-year-old now with wild hair and just an imagination that never quits. I love you, bud. Have fun on your birthday.
Happy birthday, Charlie. We hope you have a good day. We went to a lot of trouble to do this picture. I brushed my teeth, and Nemo put on her makeup.
We love you, sweetheart. Bye-bye.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Charles. I hope you love your GameTruck.
Emotionless birthday parties. Boring birthday parties. Boring GameTrucks. Loveless birthday parties. Average GameTruck parties are a virus. But Gamer vs. Gamer is the cure.
Gamer vs. Gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
Be These are real gamer versus gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded gamer versus gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer versus Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.